Every day, we use thousands of items.
But few of us know their true environmental cost.
What if we could see the impact of every choice we make?
Introducing EcoLens, an AI-powered sustainability tracker that makes invisible impact visible.
Comprehensive environmental analysis, real-time tracking and dashboards, gamified leaderboards for sustainable choices.
EcoLens, see the story behind every item, make choices that matter.
Melbourne Hack 2025, presented to you by the EcoLens team.
So our project is a web app which we built from scratch during the hackathon. The front end was developed with React and Tailwind CSS, which gave us a clean, modern design and let us quickly style components without spending too much time on the layouts. As we can see here, the backend is built with Python using Fast API, which handles requests from the website and connects it to our AI system. We integrated Gemini models on the backend, so when the user enters a product name, the AI generates a sustainability analysis in real time. The data is then sent back to the front end, where we display it as a sustainability store, progress bar, and a breakdown of the environmental impacts. To make it more engaging, we added features like XP points, streak tracking, and personal stats dashboards, so users are motivated to keep exploring. We also set up cores and API deployment, so the front end and back end work smoothly together. Now I'll start demonstrating how the website works. So here we are at the sign-in page. The sign-in and login credentials are stored on a separate database known as Supabase, which stores all the user information and login details. Here I'm going to make an account, which gives us access to the actual website. Here we are at the interface. We can see here it's very simplistic, it's very modern and minimal. We can toggle between light mode and dark mode right over here for personal preference. Up here we see the XP bar to see the progress to the next level. Down here is where we place the item and type it in to check its environmental footprint. For now, I'll do an example of chicken. As we can see here, chicken has a 7.0 out of 10, meaning it's a very unsustainable product overall. We gain XP based on the product itself, and we can also lose XP if the environmental damage is very bad. Down here, we see a detailed analysis of the actual process of chicken meat production, and we can see the confidence as well as the reports of what's happening. Here we have the history of the analysis showing past results of what we've inputted into the website. Here we have our weekly statistics showing our rate of sustainability of all the products in a week, how many things we analyze, weekly XP, stuff like that. We also have a leaderboard which completely works and works based on who has the most XP. We also have specific weekly achievements such as most improved, eco champion, most analyses, and streak master to basically allow the user to be more incentivized to make more sustainable choices. Here we have the account information with the last statistics as well as achievements to show specific things that the user has done over his time using the platform.